All right, so I've got this burn kit by SurviveX, and I'm gonna go through some of the stuff that's in here. Let's go through it together. I'm gonna open this up, and I bought this burn kit in addition to a couple of other things. I've got a travel kit, and then I also have their full safety kit for any type of emergency. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's gonna come with a lot of stuff here, and this is great to have, especially in a situation where you might think that you would get a burn. So having it in your kitchen, having it in an RV, having it with you when you go camping is gonna be great. So you can see that we've got some burn dressing, which is a hydrogel right there with some tea tree oil. We've got more gel, smaller packs right there. We've got some gloves, which is great for sanitization. We've got our shears right here, which is going to be perfect to cut our gauze. We've got the non-adherent wound dressing. So this is a non-stick protection and absorption for those wounds. And then you're also going to have your cloth tape right there. So literally everything that you're going to need in a situation. So you can see everything here that it's going to come with. And let me take a look on the back to tell you the specifics of how many of each you're going to get. So for the shears and the instructional guide, of course, you're just going to get one of those. For the wounds, you're going to get one breathable cloth tape, which is this tape right here. You've got the 2 gauze rolls. So these 2 gauze rolls right there in the middle. We've got 4 non-adherent pads, which are these ones. You've got your 1 pair of gloves, which is right here. Now, if you got the full kit, so like the full safety kit, that one comes with a lot more gloves. So combining the 2 would be great. You've got your 4 burn dressings, which are gonna be the small ones right there. And then you've got your 8 of these small burn dressings. And then you're gonna have 4 of these large burn dressings. So again, everything that you would need in a burn situation. This is great to keep in your kitchen, great to keep in the car, great to keep. So if you're looking for something to keep around in case of a burn accident, then I would highly suggest picking up this set and having it on hand for any type of emergency.